Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my students and my honorable fellows. Hope you find and you feel better to better. Today our next lecture, past indefinite tense, and please watch my previous lecture, past indefinite tense, and today we will do use of correct verb in a past indefinite tense with the examples. If you interested in a best way English speaking, so please watch my previous lecture, present indefinite tense, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous, and past indefinite tense, because it's a very necessity to understanding in a best way for English speaking. Firstly, your improvement in our sentence tenses and best vocabulary and word banks or a word bank, or if you want to good English speaking, so follow some instruction for I sharing you my next lecture. Before it, I sharing you for some points of English speaking, for a reading of English magazine or English newspaper and English books. If you free in any time, day to day and time to time. So let's start our next lecture, the use of correct verb in a past indefinite tense. So the phone dash when I was taking a bath. First form of verb ring, and you see here is the use of was represent a past simple past tense, so we use the past indefinite tense, the phone dash ring, second form ring. And next, he dashed there last year, and here is not go show a negative sentence, and he we use did not for making past indefinite tense. He did not, yes, and with the first form of verb go. I dash the newspaper. I dash the newspaper. Here is not read. It's a past indefinite in a negative sentence. So did not I did not read the newspaper. And the next, dash you dash her last evening, and here is first form of verb see, and it's a interrogative sentence because it's a question mark. It's a represent interrogative sentence, and uh, the use of interrogative sentence, the did is the start sentence of start did. Did you then subject person, and then did you dash first form see, first form of verb, because its rules of for a negative sentence making a did not with the use of first form of verb, and interrogative sentence where there is a use of did, we use first form of verb in a past indefinite tense. Did you see here last evening? And they dash MA many years ago. So here is a first form of verb past, but it's a represent ago, many years ago. Ago show a past tense, so they past second form past. And she here yesterday morning, and here is come. So yesterday represent a past tense, so we use she dash, she came here yesterday morning, and then before they dash out it had rained, and here is first form of verb go. And you are saying before they dash out it had rained. It's a past perfect tense. It's a had rained represent a past perfect tense. Where is usually where is used past perfect tense? It's the second part past perfect tense. So here is we use first form of second form of verb because it's a past indefinite tense. Before they dash out, before they go, second form went. Went out, it had rain. Okay, it's a very simple, but remember some rules of past indefinite tense that I sharing you in a past indefinite tense my previous lecture. So here is first, second had rain. So we use past indefinite tense. One part of a past perfect tense, and where here is a past indefinite tense. So we use they went out, it had rain. And then next he dashed 2 days ago. Usually he dashed 2 days ago died. He died. Second form died. And the patient dash before the doctor dash. Before the patient mostly we usually in our childhood and our previous time the patient had died before the doctor dash. यूजली हम बचपन से ये जो है ये सेंटेंस जो है ये करते आ रहे हैं. द पेशेंट हैड डाइड बिफोर द डॉक्टर, एंड द सेकेंड पार्ट, and you are seeing the patient had died. It's a represent the past perfect tense had died. Okay, the patient first part past perfect tense had died, and before the doctor died. So here is use of second form of verb come came, and it's a past indefinite tense. And Next, he always dash the needy. He always dash the needy. He always help. He always help the needy. So it's a use of correct form of verb, and so please subscribe and comments me and sharing me any related to words and tenses and any problem for lectures. Thank you so much, and okay, see you my next lecture.